Hey guys, after thousands of entries in the Cook's Plumbing Supplies bathroom renovation competition, guess what? We have a winner! Super exciting! I've got 10 days to take their very ordinary bathroom and make it look beautiful. Better get cracking. When I do a bathroom renovation, first thing I look at is the layout. Does everything make sense? Anita has told me she wants a toilet, separate shower, a bath, and a bigger vanity. You know what that means, don't you? A redesign. Yes. Hey Anita, I've got your layout worked out, got some really good ideas. Next question I need to ask you is, what colour would you like in your bathroom?
White?
A little bit of colour, please. Layout done. Colour and tiles. Last piece of the puzzle, the bathroom bling. All the accessories, the fun part. What about something like this? Do you like this sort of style? You've got big grand plans for your bathroom, then reality comes crashing down. Hey, I've got a small space. Choose products that really maximise your area. This corner bath, there's no wasted space. I love it. Anita, how good is Cook's Plumbing Supplies? We got all the bathroom fixtures and fittings under the one roof. But now the hard work begins for me. I've got to do your bathroom renovation. So guys, make sure you check back very soon for the big reveal. Exciting, huh? For all your bathroom, kitchen and laundry requirements, go to cooksplumbing.com.au.